guys, today we're going to show and explain what exactly is an inertia. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object at rest will remain at rest. An object at motion will remain at motion at the same speed and same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force.
Firstly, an object at rest is not moving until an unbalanced force acts on it. Let's see the ball here. As the child hits a ball, it exerts unbalanced force, changing the velocity and cause it to move, but as it rolls along the ground, the ball will slow down and eventually comes to stop. By Newton's first law, the ball is experiencing unbalanced force. In this case, the force of friction opposes the motion and eventually stops the ball.
Let's do a small experiment. I kept a cup of water and a polythene bag and a candle. If I pull it, the candle should drop into the water as per Newton's law. Let me try with these 4 different bottles.
Let's do another experiment. Let's take a glass bottle, a AA cell, and a loop made of bamboo. Okay, let's see an example application that explains inertia. The seatbelt functions by keeping the occupant in a more static motion despite a sudden change or stop in momentum. A car moves with inertia, which is an object's tendency to move until something works against the motion of that object.
Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.